to tie a big man with a big head full of ideas that want to encounter success. Look at that sheep. So I'm gonna do this differently. Stand up. Stand up. Okay. I'm gonna spin you many times. Yeah. Like this, 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 like this. Continue moving. Stand here. Let's continue spinning. Big man spinning again. I'm so tired of spinning this one. Okay, wait. Okay, give me a finger. This is plate 1, this is plate 2.
Again?
Again, this is plate 1, this is plate 2.
1 and 2 again. I choose this.
Okay, then I told you.